Hey guys, Cat72. Um, I know it's been quite a while and I haven't done too many videos, and it's like with everything else in life, you just get caught up. You're busy, family, jobs, just everyday life. So anyway, I thought it was time to probably put up a DIY video, and today that's what we're gonna do. In particular, it's going to be some DIY patio furniture. So there's these, I guess if you want to call them crates, or here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hang on. So I don't know if any of y'all know what this is or what it's called, but they're like these plastic crates, and I guess what they do is they deliver I guess beverages or drinks on these. But the funny thing is that the company was not wanting to take these back. They were actually just saying get rid of them yourself. So there's the brand right there. I don't know if you can see that. So what I thought of, because my wife brought them over, and since they resemble a bench, as you can see, I thought, you know what, let's make those into some benches. But instead of just leaving them with the black plastic shell, if you want to call it that, why not put some wood and make them look more like a patio bench? And so that's what we're going to focus on today. I don't know how many of these are left out there in the world. Like I said, it's amazing that a company would just leave these out and not recirculate them and use them again for another delivery. But I guess in this particular case, they had no use for them. So if you ever come across one of these, I'm going to show you what you can make out of them, and I think it came out pretty good. It was the wife's idea to turn them into patio benches. I just thought about adding the wood to make it look a little bit more, I don't know what the word is, I'm not good with furniture, but I guess it would be more of a southern look, I guess, a country style look. And that brings you to my next thing I want to show you, and that's actually what I'm sitting on. I already did one, and this is the end result. So let me show you what that looks like. Let me get this out of the way. And I'll give you a little walk around on what I'm actually sitting on, because like I said, I've already completed one. Hold on. And this is what we're looking at, guys, when it's complete. The wood just cost me, like, I don't know, it was like all in all it was $29 for the wood, which is just your typical wood fencing. Here's some examples of it right here. And a set of some screws, a box of screws, which were only like $5 and change. But all in all, the grand total was like these are the screws I used. The grand total was like 29 bucks. But I thought they came out pretty good. That's what the end result is. And of course what I'll do is stain them with some exterior wood stain. But for now I just wanted to get them built. And I wanted to share this video with you because, like I said, it's been a while since I've done a DIY. And I do apologize, but we're doing it now. And then these cushions my wife got. So there's the top. And just throw this on there. And there you go. Pretty cool. And that's what they look like prior. And then of course what I'm using is just a saw, electric saw, a drill with a Phillips head, and then I'm using a drill just as a pilot so I don't screw up the wood or the plastic. And I believe this is a 5/64 drill, and then a typical square just to get all my edges correct. I didn't really use that saw. As you can see, it's kind of rusted out and old. Made it a little difficult, so then I broke out the electric saw. And then some clamps just to hold the wood in place so it doesn't move on me. Then that's it. And that's the end result, guys. So let me go ahead and share with you how I get this going and get it done. And like I said, maybe if one of you guys happen to come across, I guess if you want to call them these crates, delivery crates, now you know what you can do with them. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't be surprised if you can make these, if you happen to find a place that has a bunch of them, make a whole bunch of those benches over there and sell them. I can see where people would buy them. They're cute, looks nice, and it's pretty comfortable to sit on. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this video going, guys. Hope you enjoy. And there you have it, guys. Simple as that. Just a nice little, you know, patio furniture set that was made by something that was probably going to be thrown out and discarded. I'm going to go ahead and probably stain them with some deck stain since it is fence wood. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the results. Really nice. Came out pretty great. It doesn't surprise me. There are some people that do furniture out of pallets. I don't know if you've seen those kind of videos. I have. So anyway, if you come across these units, these plastic, whatever they want to call them, I don't know, plastic containers, plastic storage, I don't know what they are. Like I said, I've never seen them before. I'll try to see if I can get some more information on them for you to see what kind of distribution centers might have them and are probably getting rid of them as well. Okay guys, so I did a little bit of research, as I said I would, on these particular pallets that we made the patio furniture out of, because I'd never seen them before and I didn't know much about them. But if you go to magliner.com, I do now know what they're called. They're called Coolift Pallets. So if you go to their website and you type in Coolift, all one word, there they pop up, Coolift Pallet. Here's the item. They range in size. I didn't know that, and I didn't quite understand how they work as a pallet. If you click on the image, I'll show you what they are actually used for. So obviously it's the pallet, and they're made this specific way, excuse me, because they work with this kind of a dolly. And what goes on those pallets are pretty much items like, in this case, it's used as a refreshment stand. So those are basically cases of refreshments, whether it be soda, beer, who knows what. But I'm assuming that since the distributor bought the pallet, I don't know if it comes with that display, the items on it, the refreshments, or if that's something to their discretion that they just buy the pallet for and then they just display that for the consumer. But either way, now we know what it's used for and what they look like, and basically where you can get them. But still, I mean, if you're interested and you happen to find these around at your local distributor, whether it's your supermarket or a big box store, you might want to ask if they're getting rid of these or if they have any available. They're called Coolift Pallets. And if they do, now you know what you can do with them. I thought it was pretty cool. It came out great, and didn't cost me anything other than just for the wood and the screws, which I said was about 29 bucks. So, it's a lot cheaper than having to go out and buy, a whole brand new set of furniture, patio furniture. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you, and hope you enjoyed. That way you can go ahead and, if you'd like, make yourself something similar to this. A lot cheaper than having to go buy brand new patio furniture, which, by the way, we normally used to buy the chairs and table, but with this Texas heat, they don't last long. They wear out, they deteriorate pretty quick. So these, because they're made out of plastic, we can take these in when it rains or when it gets too hot. And of course, that's the weather elements are never going to affect the plastic. That'll last forever. If the wood tends to rot or deteriorate over time, simply just take the 3 screws that we put in there off and put a new piece of fencing wood. And so they should last a very, very long time. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Just something I wanted to share with you. Cast 72, peace out.